My name is Sabina Roan. I'm a Master's of Urban and Regional Planning student in the College of Urban and Public Affairs here at Portland State University. And the project I'm here presenting on is Ready Streets, Human-Powered Mobility in the Post-Earthquake Recovery Period. Our project is looking at how people will get around after a major earthquake. A 2015 New Yorker article brought attention to the fact that we're very vulnerable here in Portland and all the Pacific Northwest to a large-scale earthquake from the Cascadia subduction zone. After a major earthquake, people on the ground figure out how to get around, but to our knowledge, nothing has been done anywhere in the world in advance of the disaster hitting to look at what can be done to support people in their mobility post-disaster in terms of programs or policies. If I could add anything more, it's to have your go kits ready, everyone, for when the Cascadia subduction zone hits.